Get the spice drops.
Welcome to Fitness First Steps, the healthier food option. Today we're not filming in the gym, we're filming in the kitchen. Oh, junk food in the background, it's not mine. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian Marmite Scotch eggs. Marmite. Right, it's now the day after the day before, and I've got my Marmite chickpeas soaked all night. And if you don't want to do the Marmite one, you can just go and get a jar of normal chickpeas, 400 grams. These have now been in 5 minutes. We'll take it out, straight in the cold water, stop some cooking. Right, now it's time to drain these off, my chickpeas. Now you can mash these with a potato masher, but I've got one of these, so I'm going to blend it. So, now we've got the mixture, we've got to do the messy stuff. Right, now we come to the messy part. You're going to need a bowl with a bit of flour in it. You're going to need a bowl with a beaten egg in it. You're going to need a bowl with the breadcrumbs in it. We're going to take the egg, we're going to dip it in the flour, then we're going to get some of our paste, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to take a big lump of that, we're going to put it in, we're going to go, once the formula is around the egg, we're going to dip it in the beaten egg, then we're going to roll it into the breadcrumbs, then we're going to put it into the baking tray, ready for baking. Let's do this. Slowly push it down. See, the egg is slowly sinking into the paste, and then just keep wrapping it. Yeah, slowly. Oh, this one's looking good. Right, dip it in the egg, roll it, gets even messier. Lovely. Now, what I do, pick it up and sprinkle it on. It kind of stops it sticking to you. Scotch egg, vegetarian, Marmite. Now that tastes amazing. And you know what? Because we've baked them in the oven and there's no sausage meat on these, that is what makes them a healthier food option. As a vegetarian, I always miss the Scotch eggs. Now I'm going to be sick of them. Let me know what you think. Richie, Fitness First Steps, healthier food options. Adios.